Happy Monday, guys. Today is Monday, April 6th, 2020. I hope you guys are having a great day and are ready to start a brand new week of learning at home. This week is only a 4-day week because we actually have Friday off. That was already built into our calendar, so you won't have any work on Friday. So that's exciting. I hope that you guys had a great weekend. If you want to tell me in the comments what you did, you're more than welcome to do that. And also, don't forget that we will be doing a Zoom call at 10:15 this morning. We'll do it every day this week at 10:15. We will not do one on Friday since we're out of school. We've got a few things at our house going on with Easter, and so we're not going to do one on Friday, but we'll do one on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And this morning, I wanted to read to you guys a new book that we got at our house called I Wish You More. And if we were in the classroom together, I would have brought this to school and read it to you. So I was thinking I would go ahead and read this to you because it's pretty cute book. It says I Wish You More by Amy Rosenthal. I wish you more ups than downs. I wish you more give than take. I wish you more tippy toes than deep. I wish you more we than me. I wish you more hugs than Uggs. Uggs like UGHS, like ugh, not like Ugg boots. I wish you more woohoo than whoa. I wish you more will than hill. So what does that mean? That's talking about like the will, like your willpower to want to do something. So this guy, he's got a lot of will trying to get this up this hill. I wish you more can than not. I wish you more snowflakes than tongue. I wish you more pause than fast forward. I wish you more umbrella than rain. Well, this was my son Easton's favorite page. I wish you more bubbles than bath. See that cute little face poking out of all those bath bubbles? This was my favorite page. I wish you more treasures than pockets. This reminded me of my son because he's always sticking things in his pocket. And usually I find them in the washing machine. Oh, I like this page too. I wish you more stories than stars. Do any of you do this? After you go to bed, you put the covers over your head and get a flashlight and read or play or do something. I remember doing that when I was little. I wish all of this for you because you are everything I could wish for, and more. Wasn't that a cute book? I love that. And then the reason why I ordered this is because our friend Emily Arrow, who I love, she sang the Dot song and the Yeti song and several other songs. She has a song to go with this book. So I will put that link for you to visit this morning if you want to. Remember, all of these little extra videos are completely optional. They're not anything that you have to do. But if you want to hear the Emily Arrow song that goes along with this book, then you can follow the link below. All right, friends, I hope that you have a wonderful Monday, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.